Trubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Indian Red Cross Society West Chanda Hills Unit hakathong ban penklan nagarukom trikam hapoka district kalapinong naga Jinghikai First Aid Training balai ngilenter kabasdang haka arpo nyotarik bat penkut haka arpo khandai tarik nailad ha community hall ka dorbar shnong Lion Mission Compound ya gajinyalang lapnya dakakong Estariang Senior Life Member IRCS hagajinalang uba W Lingdo Chairman IRCS West Chanda Hills kumukongsan uba olalu secretary IRCS West Chanda Hills uletho igijing thmu jongani program kalong ban kring hi Khynnah Skul bat samla bandan benta bat ke Indian Red Cross hagadur jongki Junior Red Cross but Youth Red Cross uba W Lingdo Chairman IRCS West Chanda Hills kumukongsan ulakran halor ki Southly ki nongrim jong Red Cross Society bansuma de kijingkot jingkhya shimet bat jongki wei bansngo tho bat bdang yaga jingket kli kum kinong shongshnong bat banyarap ikkhna hapogari bat hakaleng kaperthei ki rushim phang na po ka Indian Red Cross Society Shillong ki belawan ban Jinghikai ki kinthop UPW Albert CL Nongrum ka MGR Shabong bat iban la swear hagani sngi la yo jingkran plyang buram naka emi daka lingdo organizer Junior Red Cross Society West Chanda Hills katba UH Khongstia life member IRCS habakut kechinyalang ulapashad ki kentian khublei
and we are fully able to practice oxygen, not opposite side of the nose. And we are fully able to practice oxygen. Or gum is known as plaster. Like Band-Aid is a plaster. The product which has got gum are known as plaster. So there are two types of bandages available: roller bandage and triangular bandage. Roller bandage can be used only once. Means the air has gone inside the lungs and the heart. Okay. Now how to shift? Suppose she become tired now. Now she wants he to give chest compression. She will give mouth to mouth air flow. How to change position? Simple is that. So that here the blood flow is less. Here the blood flow is more or less because it has to climb up now. Here, CPR coil of the agility. By this time, he is clearing the mouth by quickly pushing the head up, chin up. By pushing the chin up with two fingers.
Care of their own health and that of others. Number two, the understanding and acceptance of civic responsibility. Number three, the maintenance of a spirit of friendly helpfulness towards other children in our country and all over the world. Number four, dissemination to Red Cross movement to spread out the Red Cross. These are the four aims of Red Cross Society. And also, I pledge myself to care for my own health and that of others, to help the sick and suffering, especially children, and to look upon other children all over the world as my friends. From the pledge itself, we could understand a voluntary organization first to take care for my own health, take care for our friends, take care for others. So to say, we are living in this modern world. First, we have to concentrate our own health. We have to help others also. As a teachers, I feel that we have to do something. I do remember when I was a teacher, I try my level best how to make students understand me. You also the same. How much you have rendered, how much service. So this Red Cross Society is a very special thing to guide our students to be healthy. Healthy mind is a healthy body.
We have four principles and hope that number one inculcates the Red Cross principle. Junior Red Cross aims to instill the core Red Cross values like compassion, empathy, and social responsibility in young people. Number two, preparing responsible citizens. Activities focus on developing leadership skills, promoting community service, and encouraging active participation in society. Number three, spreading Red Cross message. Junior Red Cross members act as ambassadors, sharing the Red Cross principles. Red Cross JRC is the student wing of the Red Cross Society, designed to engage young people in humanitarian work and instill the principle of the Red Cross Society. It operates with schools involving students in activities that promoting health, service to others, and international understanding, often through hands-on activities training. The aim is to develop responsible citizens with a strong sense of social responsibility and compassion. Junior Red Cross is a movement specific for students, typically organized with the schools and they led by a teacher known as a counselor, or for JRC, for Junior Red Cross, and for YRC, Youth Red Cross, is known as Program Officer. The JRC is meant for the student right from class 5 up to class 12 at each group from 6 to 17 and 18. But if they cross that 18 to they proceed for the higher study for the graduate they'll become a youth Red Cross. So how it originates.